ó dójú ẹ̀ o Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ wọ gàù ẹ̀yin èèyàn látàrí ọ̀dọ́mọbìnrin tí wọ́n bá ṣàṣemáṣe tọ́ ìgbésẹ̀ wo gangan náà ti ń gbé lórí ìfọ́nrán tó ń jà rìnrìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo àti pé kí ni wọ́n lò fọ́dọ̀mọbìnrin yìí kó tó di pé wọ́n bá ṣe àṣemáṣe àṣírí tú o ọ̀dọ́mọbìnrin yìí ó fọgbà yẹn gan o kódà ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń gbé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ìgbésẹ̀ tó lágbára ni àmọ́ ní ṣìṣe ẹ̀yin èèyàn tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín lè tẹ bá ìkànnì pàdé akínkábọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Kólé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ẹ̀yin náà tẹ subscribe button yín ẹ̀rí kíní kan bí aago báyìí ẹ̀fọ́ tẹ̀ onímọ̀ táyín ló lo bódò rè kórè bàbá tó ṣe mú fúnra wá sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ mọ̀ wá jáde nà pẹ́nu ẹ má dàgbà yín lákòókò ẹ wá gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí nínú fúnra àti ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ gangan fúnra náà rèé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
Sent it to his channel, his Facebook channel. So he now sent it to his. He wanted to send it to himself, then he sent it to his Facebook channel. I now told him that, boy, I did not ask you people to make any video. And when I caught them making the video, I questioned them. They said they are not saving it, and I asked them to delete it. They promised me they deleted it. They reassured me that they deleted it. And in the morning, they now told me that they have something to tell me.
I have a question for you.
Hold
I
on.
have a question
Yes.
for you.
I
go on, sir.
You
I have a question for you.
I was not paid any money.
How did you?
Hold on, lawyer. Yes, one baby. Egbo check free. Show possible ke wa sorry live tí mo wà Egbo.
I don't want my name to be outside though.
Your
My
name-
voice.
Teba ko wa sorry TikTok.
You can tell us if you share that account.
Ẹ máa rí pé mo wà live lórí. Teba ko rí mi pé mo wà live. Teba click
You
wọlé.
guys are not on live.
All right, sir.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You are not using your main page.
AK, just Mrs. Speaker, jẹ́ kó gbọ́ mi.
I won't buy you.
Yeah, see, heaven only helps those who help themselves.
Here.
Your video is already everywhere, so you cannot come to AK now and say you are scared. Do you want us to talk about it or not? If you don't want, that's okay.
I want justice. What I want is justice. I want
Oh,
my
need
name to
justice
be
here,
paid.
Balenkule. Your justice has to be public.
Can you tell them not to send request again? Nobody should send request.
Anybody not send the request more. No one should send any
When you
request.
send request,
You know the box here. You can talk with.
Wọ́n drug me, wọ́n ti bá yẹn nìjẹ́. I went to do my school DNA o. School ni mo lọ ṣe ń bẹ̀ o. So she asked me to stay in her house that since her place is closer to my school, I did not know that they have other intentions. I don't know that they want to use me for exploitation. I never knew. And now I cannot go to school again. My business has gone down because I'm just a young girl starting my life. I was selling skincare before I said let me go and continue my school. I'm just 23 years old. I'm just starting my life. This thing has made me lose my relationship for 4 years. I don't have anything again. My parents, I don't even know how to face them. I'm very, very disappointed at myself.
All right. The question is that did you know about this video? Yes or no?
When I knew about the video, I asked them to delete it. They did not even tell me that they were making video. When I caught her making it, I asked her that no, she said it's just their fantasy. I knew that before then they threatened me already, and she promised that she's not saving the video. So in the morning, I think when the whole thing happened was when they were now begging me that anything I want to do, that anyway I want to take the man to, I should take him to that last is going to sell his car to sort the damages. I was just crying that what is car compared to my name that I've been building for years. I used to suffer before I make any money that I have. Everybody, that's why my name has not even gone far, because I don't do it online. I don't come online for validation. I'm just making my money underneath.
Hold on. Definitely a question.
Yeah, so when they approached you, when this husband and wife approached you, or whoever approached you,
Yes.
what did they tell you? What was the agreement?
So this was what she said. She called me. She said, "How are you? You know I like you so much." I said, "Yes, ma." She now said, "My husband too likes you." I said, "Thank you, ma." She now said, "There's something I want to tell you, but it's a secret."
Okay.
I now said, "That was that." She now said that if I hear that I should promise that I'm not going to tell anybody about it. Okay. I said, "What is it?" I mean, I was already feeling indebted because I saw them as mother and father figure. I never even thought that they were going to tell me anything like that. So I promised her that, okay, any secret you want to tell me, I promise you I will keep it. So she now said, and as she's telling me like this, I cannot say no because I've heard about it. And I said, what is it? That she now told me that she's interested in me, that she and her husband, that there is this thing that they used to do outside, that they've done it to other people. I mean, there's one of my friends abroad that they used to do it together before, and she does not want any social media dragging, that if I go outside and go and talk, that she's going to make sure that she ruins my life, that she spoils my life, and as I've heard about it. So I was just living in fear. Everything I did is not conscious, because normal me, Normal me would never do such a thing. The man is not even somebody that I can even look at. And ever since then, I've been dying in silence. My BP is now 170. They are now recommending BP drugs for me. These people have damaged me.
Okay. So on the day, Pele, sorry, darling, sorry. We can hear you, and it's been I'm sure it's been a difficult time for you. My other question is, so on the day that you then went to meet them, did you eat or drink anything? Were you substance affected?
They gave me drink. They told me that they just want to chill out. They did not even tell me that they were going to any hotel. I never knew they had other plans. Because I was very, she still made me feel safe with after everything. So I thought that they were just going to chill out as husband and wife. I even have the video of when they were dancing. I still have it on my Snapchat as where they went to. So they now gave me drink. I'll send it to you. They gave me a drink. So I think they spiked my drink. So I was not even feeling myself. Before poisoning is not something that if I take or I used to feel any type of way because it's not a harsh drink. So that day, the way I felt, I've never felt that way before. I didn't even know how I even got to the hotel. I don't even know. I slept till I got to the hotel.
Yeah, you want to go share.
These people just took advantage of me. And they have spoiled my life like this. I don't even know where to start from.
Don't worry, your life is not spoiled.
I'm just starting my life. I don't say let me just go and code. I'm the firstborn of my parents.
This is my last question, just so other people. This is my last question, just so other people can engage with you. So after everything happened, did they give you any money? Like, what did they say?
They did not give me any money. She did not give me any money. She did not offer me any money. She was only begging me. And I did not answer. She was now telling me that anyway I want to take the husband to, I should take him to go. I was just crying. I was very, very helpless.
All right, okay, calm down. Oh, yeah, now, what year did this happen? What date?
It happened this year, February this year.
So it's just
that was the time I was writing my exams. I was unable to concentrate on my exams.
Okay, fine. The question is that how did you meet Sis Alagbo? How did you know her?
Yes, I gained admission in Poly Ibadan last year November. So my mom took me she wanted to buy herbs from Sis Alagbo. Though I already have where I wanted to stay at Ibadan. So when we now go to Sis Alagbo's place, she saw me, she was asking that, who is this? Mommy told her that she's her daughter. So she said, where am I going to? And with my bag, because I was carrying my load, I just wanted to resume school. So when we now told her where I got accommodation, when my mom's other friend, I wanted to stay at her place initially, she said it's very far, that her place is still closer to the school. And we trusted that we saw her as somebody that is good, because the way she welcomed me, and I did not even ask her for accommodation. I didn't ask her. She was one that said, since her place is closer there, I should stay there. I didn't know they had other plans. I didn't know that it's not that I'm just saying that all these videos, this is not the first time she used to sell it to Arab people. It's just so unfortunate that I'm the one that is just starting my life like this, that is going through all this. I'm a young girl.
Can I ask you a question? Yeah, but the question is this: what month did you move to their house? Because you have to know that we want to know the relationship. How far
last year, and I didn't even move there fully. I didn't move there fully. I was always, because I have an apartment in Ikorodu here, so I'm always up and going because of my business. I finished from last Protec. So I just want to go and further more at Ibadan, and it is not even my wish. I only just want to force me to finish before my younger sister finishes, because my younger sister is already in 300 level. And
let's just be sincere to ourselves, sis. Your reaction, or how could I put it? The way you were looking when you were doing it, to me like is your consent also.
No, it's not my consent. They forced me into it, and I was they dropped my screen.
Okay, calm down.
It's not my consent.
Calm down. So are you drunk? Are you high? Are you drunk when they are doing the video?
Yes, I was very weak, and I still questioned her, because when I saw the camera, I questioned her. She said, no, that she's not saving it, that she will just watch. They just want to watch it together.
Okay, hold on. I have a question. No, hold on. Emma, okay, only my mom. This will calm down. Only my mom. Everything batty, every video moyo yen bae. Tí bàbá yẹn ṣe video. Ẹ̀yin moyo náà sọ̀rọ̀. Moyo náà ó ń dùn mọ́ moyo access yẹn.
She was making me feel safe. That's what they used to do.
Hold on. You dákẹ́. Ṣé ma ke moyo náà be question ni pé tí ó ṣe video mi ni. Tí bàbá yẹn ní no. Ṣé wọ́n ti moyo ge oye access.
Tí moyo yàtọ̀. Moyo ń sọ fún bàbá yẹn pé kó concentrate lórí ohun kó fi video yẹn lẹ̀. So moyo mọ̀. Yeah.
Uncle, I actually have a question for her.
Okay.
My question is, at the time that they were doing whatever they were doing, did you at any time blank out? Did you blank out at any time? Were you fully awake?
Yes. I told them. That was when they now assured me that they are not saving any video, and it was not even my consent. It was still under threat.
Okay, and did you at that moment realize that they were taking a video?
Yes, I realized, and I stopped her.
And did you at any point say no?
Yes, I said no. I said no to it. It wasn't my consent at all. I did not agree to it at all.
And when you said no, what was the woman's response? Is this Sis Alagbo? What was her response?
She has threatened me before, so she made me feel like she's not saving it. That why would she save it? That she's matured than this, and I still made sure that they deleted it before.
No, you didn't get my question. Did you at any point say no to like the encounter, like the sexual encounter?
No, it was not my consent. Yes, I said no. I didn't agree to it.
All right, sorry, Falashade. Sorry, thank you. I also asked one question. My question is that before this scenario happened, have they ever tell you about this TV song before? Did you accept or not? TV song
I did not accept. That's why I said they threatened me that since they've told me about it, I must do it and I must follow up with her husband.
All right. Okay, when everything now I'm getting the point. When does someone any watch the TV song?
Yes.
Why told you who were near by?
And you want to threaten me already that boy, I cannot go and say no. Because if I say no, they are public figure and they are dragging her online that she does not want any dragging. And I'm sure that these people use jazz on me because she's always threatening her workers and everybody.
That's all you Yes, so you buy me your way. Mommy, TikTok.
Wow, my dear, let me tell you something.
Already.
Your video is all over already. So mommy and Mary already. Mommy and Emma going.
You talk to your mom. You talk to your mom. Just calm down, madam. You talk to your mom. Calm down. You are not the first. You are not the first.
I don't want my name to be outside. I'm very sorry.
I'm the one calling you now. I'm the one calling you. Nobody knows your page. Nobody knows anything about you. I'm going to ask your number.
My voice.
Question ṣe nìkan bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣé òun gangan ti rí fídíò yẹn fún rẹ̀.
Mi ò lè wo. I've not seen it ever since.
Oh, see the video. Màá send it sí ẹ.
Ẹ má send it sí mi.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ bóyá òun ni àbó nǹkan.
No. I've seen my face already, so no need, no TV. The thing is that I'm not going to kill myself after I see the video.
No. That means you have seen the video now. If you have seen how do you see yourself? How do you see yourself?
Just a screenshot of her face.
The question I want to ask is this. Sorry, everybody, 1 minute.
Oh my God.
The question I want to ask is this. After that scenario, what was your action?
So what's
I was crying. I was very, very angry. And when she saw that I was crashing out, she now told me that anywhere I want to take them to, I should take them to that. Last, the man is going to sell his camera car to sort me. I was just crying that what's this camera car compared to my name that you guys have tarnished? Won't I have more? I need to budget.
Don't cry, calm down. Calm down.
You won't be able to express you need to calm down.
That's what I'm saying.
Listen, calm down.
It's someone with you.
Also used to threaten our other workers with juju. So she used it to threaten me. And there was a woman that she swear for that the second day the woman died. So all those things have been killing me inside. I cannot talk.
All those one is a lie. It's a car. All those one is a lie.
Do you have evidence of her saying that to you in particular?
That's the problem. Now that's why I'm scared that they will not go and deny the whole thing, but they have fixed my reputation already.
No, do you have the evidence of her saying they
I don't have the evidence. They called me and told me, and later they not even begged me again.
So none of those conversations was recorded?
No, it was face to face. She called me inside her car to tell me, so I didn't record it. I did not even know that that's what she wanted to tell me.
So who leaked the video? Who leaked the video at first?
It was the husband. He said he wanted to mistakenly send it to his channel, his Facebook channel. So he now sent it to his. He wanted to send it to himself, then he sent it to his Facebook channel. I now told him that, boy, I did not ask you people to make any video. And when I caught them making the video, I questioned them. They said they are not saving it. And I asked them to delete it. They promised me they deleted it. They reassured me that they deleted it. And in the morning, they now told me that they have something to tell me.
I have a question for you.
I have a question for you. I was not paid any money.
How did you?
Hold on, lawyer. Yes,
Egbo, share free. Show possible ke wa so live to me wa Egbo.
I don't want my name to be outside though. I mean, my voice.
Teba ko wa so TikTok ni.
you can tell me for share that account.
Ẹ máa rí pé mo wà live lórí. Teba ko rí mi pé mo wà live, teba click
You
wọlé.
guys are not on live.
Okay, I just can consider wọlé.
All right, sir.
Don't be scared, D. Don't be scared. You are not using your main page.
AK, just for me speaker je ko gbọ́ mi.
I won't bad me.
Yeah, see, Heaven only helps those who help themselves.
Yeah.
Your video is already everywhere, so you cannot come to AK now and say you are scared. Do you want us to talk about it or not? If you don't want, that's okay.
I want justice. What I want is justice. I want my name to be
justice
clean.
Your justice has to be public.
You have to speak out.
Can you tell them not to send request again? Nobody to send request.
Anyway, I'm not sending request more. No one should send any request.
Send request more.
You know the box here. You
Oh, Jod, me want to buy me. They are going to do my school TNU. School in Mulo Shembe. So she asked me to stay in her house. That since her place is closer to my school, I did not know that they have other intentions. I don't know that they want to use me for exploitation. I never knew. And now I cannot go to school again. My business has gone down because I'm just a young girl starting my life. I was selling skincare before I said let me go and continue my school. I'm just 23 years old. I'm just starting my life. This thing has made me lose my relationship of 4 years. I don't have anything again. My parents, I don't even know how to face them. I'm very, very disappointed at myself.
All right. The question is that did you know about this video? Yes or no?
When I knew about the video, I asked them to delete it. They did not even tell me that they were making video. When I caught her making it, I asked her that no, she said it's just their fantasy. And you know that before then, they threatened me already. And she promised that she's not saving the video. So in the morning, I think when the whole thing happened was when they were now begging me that anything I want to do, that anyway I want to take the man to, I should take him to that last class is going to sell his car to sort the damages. I was just crying that what is car compared to my name that will be built.
Get you not a drug going. So Musini Koshi private Koshi and that account Kolo fake profile. So this is Boshi Shele really mo post video on WhatsApp Milano. You can know me that don't be code one message me girl you. Ono mo ni woni. Ṣá fi chat mo mi yan da. Ó wá ní ohun tí bá ge yẹn gan sọ̀rọ̀ ní ke ge yẹn sọ pé Boshi Shele kò yóhun. Meanwhile, this is how the story go. When I get in touch with the girl yeah, go. That girl tell me, the girl is 20. Ó dẹ̀ wá school ní Ìbàdàn ni. Mommy ẹ̀ ló gbé lọ sí Sise Alagbo. Kí kó lọ máa, yes, she's 20 years, yes, 20 years. Wallahi talai, ọmọ kékeré ni. Ọlọ́run. Me I say so lánàá now. So mom sí ẹ̀ ló mọ Sise Alagbo. Mom sí ẹ̀ ló mú lọ sọ́dọ̀ Sise Alagbo. Kí Sise Alagbo kó máa gbàbẹ̀ lọ school, kó máa gbàbẹ̀ lọ kó tẹ́ ń ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ gan. Ọ̀rẹ́ Sise Alagbo ọ̀rẹ́ ni mommy ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ Sise Alagbo. Am I communicating? So she should come. I thought that she should come online and explain, to come and say what she needs to say about it. Because ọmọ yẹn ó ti ọpọlọ ẹ̀ ti dàrú kò mọ̀ kan tó ṣe mọ́. So àná kan ló fẹ́ wá wọ́n tó ń bá ti dé kóòdù ọmọ kóòdù tún lọmọ yẹn. That's so bad. She said she wants to sue them. Money are fine. Ní kí tó bá sùn wọn náà ó dáná. Ó ní kó má lọ bá ìkéṣe ní station. Mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá yẹ social media kò sí nǹkan tó náà kà fẹ́ ṣe mọ́. He's a student in Ibadan, student in ọmọ yẹn.
Lady yẹn mo ń sọ fún yàn kan lánàá ni pé lady yẹn mi rò pé ó enjoy ìkíní because bó ṣe ń ṣe.
Èmi àti mo ti gẹ́gẹ́
èmi wá sọ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn
mo ń sọ fún ẹni yẹn ní pé bó ṣe wà yẹn ní pé
wọ́n pè nǹkan sínú ọtí fọmọ yẹn ni.
mo ń sọ mo ní tó bá fẹ́ da kéèsì yẹn èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kó mọ̀ mo ń sọ ní pé bó ṣe wà yẹn òun lè yọ rẹ̀ ní pé ní pé wọ́n rèpò máa ẹ káàárọ̀ màmọ́ mi àbùkíá mo ti ń kí yín látẹ̀kan mà.
Sorry, má bínú jàre mi mọ̀ pé mi ò bí ìtì.
Àwọn èèyàn ń kí yín comment section látẹ̀kan. Everybody ti ń kí yín comment section látẹ̀kan.
Okay.
Ẹ̀yà.
Gbọ́ mi.
Wọ́n gbọ́ yín. Ó yẹ kí ọlọ́pàá tẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ gbé. Ó yẹ kí ọlọ́pàá gbé àti ọkọ àti ìyàwó. Ó yẹ kó lọ gbé wọn. Ó yẹ kó ọmọ yẹn lọ sí ọmọdé. Because wọ́n lè fọ ọmọ yẹn ni. Wọ́n jọ ọmọ yẹn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ Sisi Alagbo, kò ń ṣe best friend Sisi Alagbo.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tí wọ́n ní 20 years yìí ni I was surprised pé 20 years.
Ọmọ kékeré lọmọ yẹn. Ọmọ kékeré.
Èmi tẹ̀ sọ lánàá, mo ní ọmọ yẹn lè yọ rẹ̀, mo ní because tẹ bá rí bó ṣe ń ṣe, ó kàn dira, ó ń ṣe, ó ń dún, mò ń wò pé kí ló ń ṣe lè tó fọ̀ sí ẹni. Mo wá tún sọ lánàá fún ẹni yẹn ní pé ẹni ilé ìyọ rẹ̀ lọ́gọ́ o, ní pé kó sọ pé wọ́n fi tipá bóun ṣe ni. Mo tẹ̀ sí ń sọ láìmọ̀ pé ibi tọ́rọ̀ ṣì ń lọ nìyí.
How are you? Mo sọ pé màá tẹnu bọ ọlọ́pàá gbé bó ṣe wà yẹn. Ọlọ́pàá gbé kí lórúkọ ọmọ Akeem àti Sisi Alagbo ọlọ́pàá gbé wọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nà ó wà obvious ẹ rí ó dira ó tún dún bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń dún bí ẹni tó ń figi ṣe mò ń wò ká. Nà wàhálà mo sọ fún ẹnìyẹn lánàá sẹ ni pé mi rò pé gẹ̀ẹ́sì yìí èmi mo tún wá ń sọ mo ní ó lè yọ rẹ̀ ò kó sọ yí pé wọ́n ṣe kinní fóun ni o because bó ṣe ń ṣe kò tẹ ẹ rí bó ṣe dira kò fẹ́ ṣọ mọ́mú ẹ̀gọ́ kò ṣe kinní kò free rárá lọ́dẹ̀ ń pakurumọ ló ń pakurumọ wàhálà.
mo mọ ní ìpè ìbéèrè bá mi ra káàdì kan bá mi sẹ́ǹdì. mo fẹ́ pè ní David kan kò sí online.
wèrè kò ń ṣe Akeem tí ẹnjìníà pàṣẹ.
Akeem Alagbo kò ń ṣe Akeem tèmi.
Mọ́mí Honorable Àtùpà ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Ó dẹ̀ ń pakurumọ ló ń yí mi mọ̀ Ọlápọ̀ dẹ̀ tún ṣe fídíò ọkọ mọ̀ pọ̀ ń ṣe fídíò ẹ mọ̀ pé kò mọṣẹ́ everybody kàn sọ pé ó mọ̀ Ọlápọ̀ rí pọ̀ ń ṣe fídíò ó wá ń pakurumọ ló ń yí ló fẹ́ yọ lé ọmọ lọ́mọ.
Má ṣe ọmọ lọ́mọ lè ṣe o ó sọ pé má ṣe ọmọ lọ́mọ lè ṣe o kémi náà wá gbọ́ bí mo ṣe mọ̀ kó wá ṣe kémi náà wá gbọ́ bí mo ṣe mọ̀.
ẹlẹ́lẹ́yà ọyàn dẹ̀ ló ti dórúnkún lára ẹ̀yẹ.
kó ní dá fún ẹ Sisi Alagbo ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ tiwọn ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ picture ẹ̀dá picture sí mi báyìí orí fóònù ilé ìlú wa gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ máa ń gbé kọ́ọ̀lù náà.
ọmọ 20 years ó ti ní wọ́n drug ṣé ó ní recent video ni AK.
ibi WhatsApp kí ni èlé ṣùgbọ́n òun lè provide òun lè lè.
òun ni lóòótọ́ AK ṣé ó ní fídíò yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní àbó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tipẹ́.
kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀lẹ̀ o kò ń ṣèsìn gan. ẹni tó lè bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní kí wọ́n ní jẹ́ ọ̀yẹ́ ní kí ọmọ tó decent ni o níbi tó ń gbé o ọmọ tó decent ni o. nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ilé àná tí mo post ẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀mí kan wá sọ kí Akeem òun mọ gẹ́ yìí mo ní irọ́ ni wọ́n á ní kí òun bọ̀ tó ṣe fi chat wọn mọ̀ mí ó wá kọ́kọ́ send view wọn àtinú chat wọn àtọmọ yẹn mo á sọ fún ọmọ yẹn mo á sọ kí kó sọ fún ọmọ yẹn kí mo ní interest ní kéèsì yẹn so ọmọ yẹn náà wá sọ pé òun fẹ́ wá sí online náà wá sọ ọ̀tẹlẹ̀ ní kí àwọn èèyàn wá ti pé ọlọ́pàá ní kí àwọn people tóun bá ti sọ online àwọn people yẹn máa fẹ́ bá ìkéèsì yẹn mo ní irọ́ ọlọ́pàá.
Aládùkẹ́ ṣé tíyàn bá ya tattoo ó jọmọ burúkú ni with tattoo ṣé tattoo mean anything ni.
ó ní ti burú àti 18 years lèmi ti ya tattoo mo ti gbé nǹkan lé 18 years lèmi ti ya tattoo àti 18 years mo ti ya tattoo sára.
tattoo tẹ̀ mí pé kìíní ẹni tó lu mú kò mí pé ó jẹ́. àti 18 years lèmi ti ya tattoo sára first tattoo mi 18 years ni mo wà so that doesn't mean you are a bad child. kí ni tattoo wa jẹ́ kìíní. Sisi Alagbo ṣó ya tattoo òun kọ́ ló ń fòbò ṣe promo tó ń ṣú fòbò ṣe give away.
èmi ò tẹ̀lé nọ́mbà ìtọ́jú ní nọ́mbà Sisi Alagbo máa ti fún ní èpè láti alẹ́ àná yẹn.
kálẹ̀ ti sọ síta pé ní ìdí nọ́mbà ẹ̀ náwọn èèyàn wọ́n á ti mú nọ́mbà ẹ̀ jáde òun gbà tẹ̀ ti pa fóònù. wèrè lẹ́ńjìnì Akeem náà bá ní káwa fáǹsì wọn má bínú àwọn mọ̀ pé mò ń wò pé ta ló ní fáǹsì wèrè.
ọkọ ẹ̀ wà
wà láyé o ó bímọ 3 fọ́pẹ́ ó ní 2 ní ti bàbá ọkọ òun nínú àwọn ọmọ yẹn ẹyọkan ní tọkọ òun ó láwọn á ní àpèjẹ tó mú kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wá sílé àwọn ọkọ ẹ̀ lówó lọ́wọ́ ó ń sọ fúnra rẹ̀ ní kí ṣe pé bóyá Yínká tí ẹ ti ń translate ẹ̀ fún tàbí pé ó ń gbẹnu sọ obìnrin yẹn fúnra rẹ̀ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó lè jẹ́ pé àwọn tó mọ̀ wọ́n máa mọ fọ́ìsì ẹ̀ ó ní nǹkan táwọn ṣe yẹn wá jẹmọ́ pé àwọn èèyàn sùn nílé àwọn ó ní òun àti bàbá ọkọ bí láwọn ti jọ ní àṣepọ̀ táwọn máa ń ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ òun ká àwọn mọ́ nígbà tí ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ wá ká wọn mọ́ wá bẹ̀ sí ibẹ̀ bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ ń bẹ ọ̀rẹ́ òun náà ń bẹ̀ ìyẹn ní òun ti gbọ́ pé ṣùgbọ́n òun náà máa ṣe kinní yìí ó ní òun lọ́pṣàn ó lóun gbà thank you Sister Yeti ó lóun gbà àwọn tó bá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n máa mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni wọ́n máa kọ̀ọ̀kan sí pé yẹ́sì òótọ́ ni iṣu ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ó lóun gbà ó wá di ìgbà mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta wọn wá jọ ń ṣe threesome yìí. God bless you my brother. God bless you. So ó wá di pé àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta náà wá jọ ń gbọ́ ìgbà míì wọ́n á jọ lọ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì lọ pàdé àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n àyè ṣe fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ confess ìgbà míì wọ́n á lọ sílé bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ náà máa ti lọ pàdé ìgbà míì tọkọ ẹ̀ bá sílé wọ́n máa wá síbẹ̀ àwọn méjèèjì ó wá ń gbé pé kí ni Yínká kí ni òun lè ṣe.
ó ti yá wèrè.
ṣé ilé ayé kan kọ́ nìyẹn ilé ayé kan nìyẹn ẹ jọ ẹ bá wa mú ẹni tó wọlé so ìyẹn ó dún sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan nípa ti pé religion faramọ́ nǹkan religion kan wọ́n ègésì nǹkan.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí ló tó ń fojú hàn o látàrí fọ́nrán Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ àti ọ̀dọ́mọbìnrin tí wọ́n bá ṣe àṣemáṣe tọ́ ojú wo lẹ́yìn náà fi wo fọ́nrán tẹ wò tán yìí àti pé pàápàá jùlọ kí lẹ́yìn náà nílé èròǹgbà ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ èròǹgbà yín lábẹ́ fídíò yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ká ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ subscribe button yín ká ẹ lè má jàǹfààní lóòrèkóòrè bá a bá tó ṣe mú fúnra wá sórí ìkànnì Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà a fi àkókò yìí a kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé bí tẹ́ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ wá tẹ́ ti ń wò wá lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá ojú náà ò ní fọ́ etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá etí náà ò ní dì ó rere létí gbogbo wa mọ̀ gbọ́ o ẹ wo ibi tá a fi àdàgbẹ́ tó ń sọlẹ̀ síre bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ àmọ́ mo wá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan sórí ìkànnì wa àdúrà wa sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni pé ire báyìí lójú owó rí ire lójú ọlá rí ire lójú gbogbo wa mọ̀ rí o ìpàdé wa bí oyin ó dàbọ̀.